In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your Hostinger email to Outlook. By the end, you'll have your business inbox set up right inside Outlook, so you can send and receive messages without logging into webmail every time. Let's start inside Outlook. Open the Outlook app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top left and click on File. This will take you to the account information area where you can manage all of your email accounts. On this screen, click on Add Account. This is where we'll connect your Hostinger email. A new window will appear asking for an email address. Type in your full business email address exactly as it was created in Hostinger. For example, if your email is something like info@yourdomain.com, enter that full address, including the part after the @ symbol. Take a moment to double check for any typos, because even a small mistake can stop the account from connecting properly. Before you continue, look for an option labeled Advanced Options. Click on that and then check the box that says, "Let me set up my account manually." This is important because it allows us to choose the correct server type and enter the settings ourselves, instead of relying on automatic detection, which may not always select the right configuration for Hostinger. After you enable manual setup, click Connect. Outlook will now ask you to choose the account type. From the list of options, select IMAP. IMAP is usually the best choice for business email because it keeps your messages synced across all devices. That means anything you read, delete, or move in Outlook will match what you see on your phone or in webmail. Next, Outlook will prompt you to enter the server details. For the incoming mail server, type imap.hostinger.com. Make sure the port number is set to 993. This port uses a secure encrypted connection, which is important for protecting your email data. If there is an option for encryption or security type, choose SSL or SSL-TLS to match the secure connection required for port 993. Now move to the outgoing mail server settings. For the outgoing mail server, enter smtp.hostinger.com. The port number here should be 465. Just like with the incoming server, choose SSL or SSL-TLS for the encryption method. This ensures that emails you send from Outlook are transmitted securely. Once the server information is in place, Outlook will ask for your password. Enter the same password you use to log into this Hostinger email account. Be sure it's typed correctly, paying attention to any uppercase and lowercase letters. If you're on a personal or trusted computer, you can allow Outlook to remember your password so you don't have to enter it each time. When everything looks correct, click Connect. Outlook will take a moment to test the connection using the settings you provided. If everything is entered properly and your email account is active, you should see the setup complete successfully, and your new Hostinger email will appear in the list of accounts in Outlook. After the account is added, give it a minute to sync. You should start seeing your folders and existing emails appear. To confirm everything is working, try sending a test email to yourself or another address and make sure it both sends and receives correctly. That's all you need to add your Hostinger email to Outlook using secure IMAP settings for a fully synchronized experience across your devices.